What in the AAA roadside assistance? Cream possum. I'm not sure what inner loop or outer loop, if this was I-95 or 495. I'm not sure which road it came off of, but I'm pretty sure it's the end of the road, wherever that road is. And I know that we've come to the end. I've come to the end because I can't understand. I think it's gonna be nasty, basically. Eat more possum. They have a slogan. Green possum with sweet potatoes garnished in coon fat. Now, I'm not, I love a good sweet potato pie, sweet potato, yams, candy, in all types of ways. But with the possum combination, I don't quite think that it's gonna work out right. And garnished in coon fat, I know that, is this keto?